Imagine having the power to shape your reality using only your mind. The law of assumption, taught by Neville Goddard, offers exactly that. Today, you'll learn how this law truly works and how to apply it to transform your life practically and definitively. Stay with me until the end to discover how to assume your desire as already fulfilled and allow it to manifest. Everything begins with a simple but powerful principle: what you assume to be true, with feeling, must manifest. The law of assumption is based on the idea that the external world is not the cause of your experience but the effect of what you believe and feel as true internally. Your consciousness is the ultimate creator of your reality. How the law of assumption works. The law of assumption states that whatever you assume to be true in your mind and heart will eventually become your reality. It doesn't matter if your current situation seems to contradict your desire. Your task is to assume that your desire has already been fulfilled. This repeated assumption creates a new inner reality that inevitably reflects in the external world. If you see yourself as a prosperous person, even when your current circumstances show lack, your subconscious mind accepts this new idea as truth and starts rearranging your reality to reflect this assumption. It's like tuning into a radio station. You only hear the station your mind is tuned to. Step 1. Clarity of desire. Before using the law of assumption, you need absolute clarity about what you want. Many people fail because they don't know exactly what they want or constantly change their goals. How to do it? Ask yourself, what do I truly want? Be specific. The clearer your goal, the more powerful your assumption will be. Visualize a specific scene that would represent your desire as already fulfilled. Example: if you want a job promotion, imagine yourself celebrating this achievement with friends or receiving a call from your boss with good news. Step 2. Assume the desire as real. Once you're clear about your desire, you must assume it has already been fulfilled. Here lies the essence of the law of assumption. Act and think as if your desired reality already exists. How to do it? Imagine yourself living in your desired reality. Feel the emotions you would experience if you had already achieved your goal. Create a mental state of absolute certainty. Practical technique. Close your eyes and visualize your desired scene every night before sleep. Feel joy, gratitude, and satisfaction as if everything were already real. Example: if you want a loving relationship, imagine yourself having dinner with your ideal partner. Feel the joy of being in a happy, loving relationship. Step 3. Subconscious reprogramming. The subconscious mind is where true change happens. It doesn't distinguish between reality and imagination. It accepts as true whatever you intensely feel. How to do it? Practice positive affirmations. I am worthy of love and prosperity. Use repetition, visualization, and gratitude techniques to reinforce your new reality. Rewrite negative memories using Neville Goddard's mental revision practice. Affirmation example: I am a success. Everything I desire is already mine. Step 4. Persistence and faith. Persistence is key to transforming assumptions into reality. Many people give up when they don't see immediate results, but manifestation requires time and persistence. How to do it? Don't quit, even when it seems like nothing is changing. Keep assuming your new reality, even when faced with contradictory evidence. Avoid negative internal discussions and stay focused on your already realized desire. Extra tip: remember that your external reality reflects your internal state. Continue assuming that your desire is already fulfilled, and don't be deceived by external appearances. Step 5. Silence and meditation practice. The mind needs calmness to focus and absorb a new reality. Practicing silence and meditation helps reduce internal resistance. How to do it? Set aside 10 to 15 minutes daily for meditation. Focus on your breathing and visualize your desire as already fulfilled. Feel calm and confident, knowing that everything is manifesting. Step 6. Thought and reaction control. Monitoring your daily thoughts and emotions is crucial. Don't let doubts and fears sabotage your new assumptions. How to do it? Practice mindful observation of your thoughts. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Avoid complaining or focusing on what's wrong. Example: if you catch yourself thinking, "This will never happen," replace it with, "My reality is changing now." Everything is working in my favor. Step 7. Final act of release. The final step is trusting that your manifestation is already on its way. This doesn't mean giving up but releasing anxiety and excessive control. How to do it? After assuming and feeling that your desire has already been fulfilled, let go of the need to control. Live your life normally, with confidence that the manifestation is happening. Avoid constantly looking for signs or results. Golden tip. Live as if. Be grateful as if your desire has already been realized. This removes emotional blocks and creates space for your manifestation. Summary of how the law of assumption works. Think and feel as if your desire is already real. Assume the mental state corresponding to your new reality. Visualize, affirm, and reinforce these ideas daily. Persistence and trust are essential. Remember, your current reality doesn't matter. What matters is your inner assumption. Apply these steps with unwavering faith and watch your life transform. As Neville Goddard taught, assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled and live as if it were true. Your future begins now. Use the law of assumption to create the life you deserve.